Alright, how you guys doing today? Today I want to show you how to fix the clamshell on the steering column on the MR2 SW20 body. So this piece is on the bottom of the steering column and this piece goes on top. So this tends to break a lot, especially where the mounting point inside are. And the first thing you want to do is just repair anything that's damaged. So this one has a little crack right here. So I kind of get some nice some glue, just glue it together, so it's pretty solid now. So this piece came apart when I was trying to remove it, and majority of the time you see these tabs on the MR2, like it breaks off. As you can see here, there's some cracks and stuff like that. So I try to glue this on, and this is the best I can do on it, but this is from my other car. So what I'm going to do is try to do it on this one. See how this has missing tabs. So the three important tabs are these three that's mounted to the bottom of the steering column, and these ones tends to break a lot. So these one I'm not concerned about, but the main three part of this piece. So to fix this problem, what I do is I went to the hardware store and grabbed one of these. This is the 4mm by 40mm long 4mm bolt. So it's gonna go through here, and as you can see on this cover, that's what I want to boot. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it works, and that's how much thread you have on top. So that's kind of be perfect on it. And then what do you do if you have like a broken piece, like this piece right here, and this piece right here is missing? You can add some support by using some regular hoses that's actually as big as this. So you can find any like 1/4-inch fuel line hose, vacuum hose, whatever hose you want to use. And to get like a base of the measurements, this is about, I would say, 2.5 centimeters. And this one right here, it's about, I would say, 1/2 inch. You see everything about 1/2 inch. So you're trying to add the spacer between this one. So from here to here, you're missing just like, I would say, maybe 3 or 4 centimeters, and then this is the same thing as well. But this one, you're missing a very little bit. So I'm gonna try to add some spacer by using these hoses. And then this one, these two. This one is 20mm long, 20mm long, and the same size bolt, 4mm. And it's gonna go like this. So, which is pretty cool, pretty perfect. And you have to worry about, the plastic breaking again. So I wanna measure this again. So it's gonna be about an inch, or 2.5 inch, 2.5 centimeters, or an inch. And this one I'm short about. Actually, it's pretty close, so I may not need a spacer for this one, but this one I definitely do. So, but probably add like a 1/4 inch on this side and this side. So I'm gonna cut my 1/4 inch spacer. All right. So here are my two homemade spacers. It's gonna go here, and it's gonna go here. So when I put this in, actually, pretty close. All right. So you can glue this on, or just do it like that, or however you want to do it. So we're gonna try to put it on like this, and then maybe this one down here we may not need it. Probably add like a 1/4 inch or something. And this one as well. Let's see if that works. Oh, maybe too much. Too much. Yeah, a little too much. So the back you don't need it, but the two front you do. All right, I'm gonna install it in the car. I'll show you when it's installed in the car. All right, so pretty much how it's gonna look like this. So you have one Allen key, one Allen bolt here with the washer, Allen bolt here with the washer, and right here with the washer. So it's pretty sturdy. So it's not moving. So it's pretty tight. And then with the top cover, you just want to slide in, and then that's pretty much it. And of course, all the tabs and everything broke inside. So what you want to do is just kind of like just tape it here, and then just tape it along here. So that it's on pretty. So it's on pretty good. Unfortunately, like these ones, they don't make these anymore, so this is the only way as of right now, until MR2 Heavens make these a reproduction piece. But as far as a blue steering wheel cover, I can't find any. Nobody seems to have a really good one. So what we have to do is, since these cars are super old, like almost 25 years old now, you got to work with what we have. So that's a little trick that I kind of thought of, how to fix these little steering column. So I'd rather see this than, you know, than a bare steering column. All right, I hope this helps, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll make more videos of it. And there's a couple more videos coming out soon. So all right, I hope you enjoy it, and good luck with your restoration.